In this video, I will show you how to make a cheap and colorful aquascape without CO2 addition or a fancy light unit. We will decorate a 2-foot aqua-L aquarium. You can have colorful plants even in a low-tech aquarium. We start by cutting the protection pad to 60 centimeters length. We add a tiny gravel layer and sand to separate the two parts, planted side and decorative beach. Adding a small layer of substrate under the root caps prevent them to roll. If we add root caps straight to the glass, they all roll when you put the soil over. Laying down out hardscape element, Redmoor wood and Cereus stones. The darker pieces are from old setup, but the shades will be identical in short time. When are happy, we can go ahead and glue the hardscape in position. Prevent roots from floating and make the hardscape stable. Cyanoacrylate with activator spray, a fish-safe method and very efficient as well. We add more sand and gravel and smaller rocks to define our hardscape. Details. Colorful plant selection. You can find the full list in the description. Only easy-to-grow plants are used. Fast-growing stem plants and floaters will fight with the algae at initial period, but main plants will still be slow growers. To make maintenance as easy as possible for my client, plants on the right side of the tank will grow taller, and the ones on the left side will stay shorter. This will define our triangular shape composition. Adding gravel over tripartita to secure it. Red plants will be our focal points. And with epiphyte ones on the wood, we'll have a complete and nice nature-style aquascape. I hope the red ones will stay in good shape even without any carbon dioxide addition. Cyanoacrylate is also useful to attach epiphyte on the hardscape and mostly for gluing mosses. We glue flame moss on the horizontal branches of the wood, and on the back of the rocks create another layer in front of Alternanthera. It is a dark green upgrowing moss that I love. Looks just like grass if used wise. Fine Cereus pebbles are added as details. Some of them will help secure tripartita into the place. A heavy planting is our best hope for a clean scape, especially in a low-tech aquarium. I'm quite happy with the top view, hope you like it as well, and remember, you can get something nice with a low budget as well. The planted ware from friends, so the costs were minimal for this build. It was a restart, so we saved up some old water and we kept the external filter running in a bucket with the fish. Sprinkle some gravel on top of the sand for a more natural aspect. Some dechlorinator and additives just to be sure. The fish will love their new home for sure. If you like it as well, show it. Smash that like button for me. Some floating plants to help us for the first 3 weeks. A big portion of master line, all in one, is added from the get-go. Really easy nature aquascape with great effect after the plants will grow.